Should I wait to buy? That's the burning question. Hi, I'm Patricia Figueroa with Homes by Patricia and eXp Realty. Well, according to the Chief Economist at REALTOR.com, Danielle Hale, she states that lower mortgage rates, higher wages, and more homes for sale have helped counteract rising home prices, so the buyers are able to afford more than last year. These low interest rates make it more affordable to purchase a home. You can actually qualify for a home that is more expensive as interest rates go down. And as they start to go up, you will be able to qualify for less, which means a smaller home. We have been faced with inventory shortages over the past months, and it's creating bidding wars. And home prices are increasing at faster rates than what is considered normal. I have good news. That problem is starting to go away for buyers because inventory is still low, but it's stabilizing. What this means is that if you are thinking about buying, now is an excellent time. Don't wait for rates to go up or for the inventory to go even lower, because both could hurt you. It's time to act now. Most people think they need a lot more money and a much higher credit score to be able to qualify, and in most cases, they are wrong. So don't just guess. Give us a call at Homes by Patricia and we can help make that dream of homeownership into a reality. Or, at the very least, help get you prepared to be able to buy sooner. We're here to help. And remember, love where you live.